This is my 1967 Ford Fairlane. It's got a 528 cubic inch big block Ford in it. It's got an AOD transmission. I've had the car for about 8 years. Been cruising town for a long time. Always loved coming up here. Always loved coming up here. I'm really glad we can.
So you not only drive this car on the street and cruise with it, you actually been to the track with it too. Tell us a little bit about that.
I took it to Mooresville one time. Made a couple easy passes with it. Run a 760 the first pass. The second pass ran like a 680, but I never did get a good full pass in on it. It should run in the low sixes to high fives.
Yeah, tell me about your interior.
It's basically got all the gauges in the dash, got a tack and a shift light. It's a forward shift pattern on the shifter. I think that's a TCI shifter. I can't remember what brand it is. It's got a roll cage with a removable bar on both sides, door bars on both sides. It's got a narrowed 9-inch rear end underneath it. Got a set of 32, 17, 50, 15 Mickey Thompson, they call them street tires, but they're pretty much slicks. They do have a couple grooves in them. I'm a Salisbury downtown cruiser. If you get a chance to, you got an old car, come on out. Come on out and join us. We'd love to have you.